Hello friends, my name is Ranjit Kumar Singh. I am a digital marketing consultant. Today I am going to talk about uh, digital marketing services, especially SEO. Today every organization or any small businesses needs leads, or you can say prospects. They are looking for leads or prospects. So what are the fundamental way or the best way through which one can get leads? Here the answer is through organic search. What is organic search? Organic search is where you can get leads free of cost. Suppose you have a firm or organization or a small business, and you sell something or you provide any kind of services, so you can just start optimizing your website if you have any. So you can start optimizing your website by on, or if you are not able to do that by yourself, you can hire any third party consultant, or you can hire a marketing company through which you can get leads. But hiring a marketing company or any consultant will cost you a lot, but if you get it done by yourself, you can do it without paying anything to anybody. But much that's not easy, or you can say it needs a kind of strategies, different kind of strategies through which you can get leads. So here I'm gonna share some ideas through which you can optimize your website for Google, MSN or Bing. Especially everybody wants to get ranking in Google so that they can get a huge amount of leads or traffic. So the first thing is you must have a website, and you need to install Yoast plugin through which you can optimize your website's every pages with the help of Yoast plugin. So why Yoast plugin here? My question is, why Yoast plugin? Because Yoast plugin is a plugin which guide you at every places where you are lacking, where you are missing any particular thing. So they will guide you in a proper way wherever you will be lacking. So they will help you to create title tag, meta description, keywords, main keywords, like everything will be uh, guided to you. Everything they will guide you in a proper way so that you won't miss anything. And if you don't miss anything, so you will certainly get ranking. So it's not like you done on page optimization in a proper way and you will get the ranking, but you have to go through off page activities as well. So at first you need to go through on page optimization. Once you are done with on page optimization in a proper way, then off page activities starts from there. Off page activities starts. So at first you need to focus on page activities. So now I would like to tell you one thing. If you place any keywords, so you must have to care about there should not be any kind of keyword stuffing in the content in every pages wherever you will use keywords. So if you do keyword stuffing, so Google can penalize you. That's a rule. by Google, so you can't do anything regarding that. So you can just focus on where to use and in which amount of keywords have to be used in your content. So that should be taken care of. So now I would like to tell you uh, optimization of any website needs certain kind of strategies. So if you use strategies in a proper way, using your competitors analysis, if you use your competitors website for the reference, like what they have exactly done with their website, and you are also utilizing the same kind of strategies or a little different kind of strategies from there, so you can get good ranking in Google or any kind of search engines like Bing or MSN. So you don't need to stick with your competitors analysis, because they have used their strategies according to their own need. But what are your needs, you only know that. So you need to optimize your website according to your own need. So there must be something change, you have to change something in your strategies. You have to focus on what my competitors are doing, but the fact here is that you need to focus on your own need, your own website capabilities, or the sort of things, what do you want from your website, the kind of leads you want from your website. You only know that. So you need to just use your own strategies, take reference from others, but don't copy each and everything from there. It will not give you anything like what you want from your website. So you need to do everything from the scratch, so that you can get all the results as per your own needs. For today I think it's enough, and once you will utilize these all strategies, you will get to know much more, and you will understand what exactly SEO, how exactly the SEO works. So thank you so much for today, and if you want to learn more and want to learn more strategies, or want to go through any other topics, what I will be updating next, so you can subscribe this channel and click on the bell button so that you can get notifications later on. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.